In this video, I'll introduce the plane cut tool, and it's easier to explain the plane cut tool if I compare it with a loop tool. So let me make a new cube, and let me move it out of the way here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, okay, I got this new cube. I'm going to make it editable. I'm going to activate the loop tool, because again I want to compare it with a plane tool. It's easier to explain. So let me hit the letter K, K, and to get to the loop cut tool, hit L, and life looks pretty normal here, right? I mean, there's no mystery, so I can just cursor over an edge, click, and make a loop. Okay, and I can make loops till the cows come home. So nothing dramatic there. Now let me delete the new cube. Now let me come over to this shape that I created in the previous video, and you'll see that the loop tool will have some unpredictable results. Okay, like if I cursor over this edge, you'll see there's that blank area. It's not connecting up across that new polygon I drew in the previous video. However, if I go on this edge, the loop is working fine. It's looping around the entire object the way you would want it to. However, what if I go on this edge? It's not working at all. If I go on this edge, it's not working at all. So suppose I wanted to have a loop that was going to go, for example, cut through this plane here, and loop all the way around. I wanted to go from here to here to here. The loop cut isn't working, so let me activate the plane cut tool. So letter K, and it tells me to get to the plane cut, hit the letter J, which I will do here. Now it's a little bit different. What you'll do is you'll cursor over one of the edge lines, click, and it'll create an anchor point. Then you'll determine like the angle of the, how you want this plane to cut through this object. So I'll go over to here and make another, click again once I hit the other edge. Now, if I hold down Option key and cursor around, a couple things happen. First of all, the camera moves, so I can look at what's going on here. But also, conveniently, you get this, rotation widget comes up. So the plane that I drew is an amber color, and I can move this plane through this object. So let me get a better view here. Here, this looks good here. Okay, so now I can create, this will make a loop cut across this complex geometry. The loop tool wouldn't do that. Like the plane cut tool will go across this weird geometry. It'll like ignore it, so to speak. So if you have this complex, if a complex shape or the loop tool is not working, use the plane cut tool. And let me hit the space bar. And just to review that really, really quickly, it's just letter K, letter J for plane cut. Where is it? I'm like reaching over my microphone here. So, and then draw a line to connect up across the plane which you want to insert your plane. Draw a line across the surface where you want the plane to cut through is a better way. Hold down Option, click, drag, and you get the ability to change the plane's direction through the object.